Hello YouTube, my name is Mary Madeline and today I'm going to restore this antique petticoat dating from the 1900s. Edwardian petticoats are meant to create the correct silhouette of female figure and were worn on top of the corset. Originally made from white cotton, this petticoat was most likely used for everyday wear. There is a hole in the upper part of the petticoat, what makes this restoration quite challenging, but fortunately it is located right on the embroidery so I can cover it and the hole will be barely noticeable. Silk ribbon used for decorative purposes has suffered greatly over time. The petticoat is decorated with embroidered flowers in different variations. It became very yellow and turned from white to beige. You can even see stains in some places. The buttonhole is damaged and the button itself is missing, so I'm going to replace it. I'll show the petticoat on myself. It was sewn on a manual sewing machine, probably at home, because from the inside I found oodles of uncut threads. A similar petticoat from the Metropolitan Museum dates back to 1907, so we can say that this petticoat is the same age as the museum one. The petticoat was made for a thin girl with a waist of 60 centimeters, and I'll have to expand it by 5 centimeters so that I can pull it on. Let's start by removing the old silk ribbon. To be honest, the process is quite relaxing. I pull out the ribbon with scissors and remove it. Here's what all the cuts looks like. To restore the embroidery, I use a piece of lace of the same color and cotton thread. And there is a new silk ribbon I bought instead of the old one. To begin with, I darn a hole, then using a pencil outline the damaged areas. I'm starting to embroider by dividing thread into two parts for convenience. The original embroidery was made using woolen threads, what can be understood from the light sheen and thickness of the thread. But I couldn't find anything similar in the local stores, so I used cotton thread, what now I regret. Don't judge me strictly, I haven't embroidered for a very long time, and the main goal here is to visually hide the hole rather than meticulously repeat the pattern. I can't say for sure, but it feels like the petticoat was sewn in at the waist area, because the seams in this place are very different, as if they were sewn by hand. Since the petticoat is too small for me, I've decided to open the folds and increase the width of the waist. Here you can see hidden pleating. I increased the width with another piece of fabric and decorated it with lace. I sew on a button and processed the cut of the skirt. I also processed buttonhole, but I didn't record it. For bleaching, I use oxygen bleach as it is one of the most gentle ways to clean fragile fabric. There are more efficient ways, but I was afraid to ruin the petticoat. I dip my petticoat in water. I was shocked by the amount of dirt that had gone. I changed the water and bleached the piece about 3 times. Then I washed it in a big amount of water and added fabric softener. I didn't expect such a result. I thought that the petticoat would change a couple of tones, but it became almost white, turning to the ecru color that emphasizes with the age of the petticoat. I insert the silk ribbon through the holes in the lace. And here's the result.